Right, and hello, welcome back. Now, here is my new episode of Logo from Microsoft. Now, this is a nice programming language, so if you didn't see the first episode, you might want to hop on over to that. You might want to go across to that to see what subroutines and things we've done and how to actually summon a subroutine. But this episode I'm going to go on to triangles. So if you don't know how to do subroutines for the square and things, this is not going to go well. This is going to be confusing for you. If you're a known user of Logo, then give me a comment, say if I'm doing anything too slowly for you, and then speed up so I can upload faster videos, I can upload smaller videos, doesn't really matter. Yeah, so let's get started on the triangle. So let's start up a little triangle subroutine. Now, I've already pre-measured everything here, and it seems to work the way I do it. I just don't understand how. So we need it to forwards 200. Now you may notice I'm not using any square brackets or repeats or anything like that, and there's a reason for that. It's because I don't think that you need square brackets for when you're not actually repeating anything. It's only when you're repeating or doing something to the actual thing that you're typing out that you need to put square brackets on it. You can put square brackets if you really want to, but they're not much use. And then we need it to right turn 120 degrees, and then we need it to go forwards 400. Then it needs to go right turn 150 degrees. Then it needs to go forwards 346 degrees. Sorry, 346. I don't know why 346, it just sort of happens. I was mucking around trying to make a nice easy triangle, and it just seemed to work like that. I don't understand how, but it did. Now I think this should work in pretty much all forms of this. So now if I type in triangle, there you go, beautiful. Now I think what we can do, SQU, oh, you don't know how to, sorry, every time you load up this, you will have to go into File, then Load, oh, cancel, yeah, cool, there, and then it doesn't say anything, it just does it, then File, Save As, and that one, yes. So now if I go Edit, Triangle, there we go, triangle's still there, and now so is SQU. Now I can draw a square, and now we've got a beautiful little square with a triangle attached. Beautiful. Right, so that's the basics of triangles in one easy go. Now I am going to probably not try and do something for actually no. Yeah, so I'm going to try and do a fish now. Yeah, so now if we create a variable, edit, fish, fishy, forgot my double quotes. So now I've actually pre-done the code to this, I'm sorry, but it took me a while to do this. So actually we need to square So we need to draw out a square. Then we need to turn left 130 degrees. And then we need to do a triangle. Then we need to turn left again. Then we need to do a triangle again. And then we can stop. Okay, right. So let's see what Fishy does now. Why can't I Fishy? Oh yeah, I need to load, don't I? Load. This one. So now I can... Why don't you know how to Fishy? Well, then I'm gonna work it out and then show you next episode. Okay, right, well, see you next episode, goodbye, and see you next time.